In this video, we're going to look at how to change our import settings in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9. So if you're bringing in files that are very similar all the time, you'd like them to automatically rotate, or you'd like them to change certain layers to different things, we can actually change the import settings so that it happens every single time. So if you find that you're rotating the job every single time you bring it into OptiScout, we can get OptiScout to do that for you to make your production quicker. So to do this, we're going to go to Settings, we're going to go to Standard Settings, and then go down to Import. This will open up this window. Now in this window, we're going to choose what sort of file format we're going to be using. You are going to need to do this for all the file formats that you're currently using. So we're going to be using a PDF, and there's a few things that I like to change. So I like to change apply color name as layer name. That means that if you've got a spot color, it's going to use that spot color as the layer name as well. So it's going to split your jobs into layers correctly. I like to click on this one that says and close active jobs. That means that when you open up a new job or import a new file, it will automatically close the other file down. That means you don't have loads of open files at the same time. And I also like to come down to here. I like to tell it to break combinations. That means that if you've got lines that are all sort of combined or grouped, it means that it will break those so that we can basically delete certain parts of our artwork out if we need to do any further work to it. And the same with ungroup as well. And then we've got our rotation. So according to whichever table you're using, you could say, actually everything comes in and I need to 90-degree everything on import. And then we have our registrations. So at the moment, I've got it so it will look for certain spot colors as registration marks. So you can see here are all the different names. So reg marks, register, reg marks. Now it's going to be looking for those spot colors, and if it finds it, it will replace them automatically into registration marks for us. We can add whatever we'd like into that list, so we can carry on adding registration marks in there. And we can also tell it then to search and replace from certain layers as well. So you can use your layers on your jobs to say, actually, I want it to search from this layer every time, and that's what I want to use as my registration marks. We can also tell it to insert cutoff lines, weeding boxes, insert waste cutting. So there's loads of different sort of tools that we can use within this import setup. Just remember, you need to do it for each of your import settings or your import file types. So just basically duplicate whatever you've just done there into your Onyx one or to .job or .cut. And that's how we change our import settings in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9.